Hi, Cyber Sisters and Mister.
You want to watch me go from basic to Slade on my natural virgin 4C hair? Then stay with me. Subscribe. Alright guys, I'm starting out on hair that is clean and fresh and so clean. I'm adding coconut oil and massaging a little bit of that into my scalp and hair. And actually even more of it on my fingertips because my hands are so dry. It's wintertime. Anybody else have that problem? Dry hands, cracked feet, all of that good stuff. But hey, you know what? We know how to get it under control and keep it classy because we're ladies. I'm finger parting my hair from ear to ear. And then I'll follow up with my rat tail comb to clean it up and make the partings much neater and precise. I secured the back portion of my hair with the ponytail holder. I'm dividing the front down the center. And now I'm adding some edge control around the front section of my hair. Then I'll divide that section again into 2 equal halves. I'll tuck that back section out of the way for now, but we'll revisit it later. I'll carve out a small ponytail on each side of my head, and I'll add some braiding here with the crochet hook for thickness. So length is a non-factor for this style, but you definitely want your flat twist to look full on top, and that's the next step. I'm going to add 2 flat twists on each side of my head. One side is going to go up and curve back down, and then I'll do the other side, go up, hook it with the opposite side, and curve it back down also. I'm sure I could have explained that better, but keep watching and you'll see what I'm doing. The visuals with explanations will make it easy to follow along. So be sure not to tuck that upward flat twist too tightly into the downward flat twist. So just to explain before we get to that point, on the other side of my head, I'm going to flat twist upward, and then I'll hook the ends of the flat twist that's on the right hand side with the flat twist that's on the left side, and I'll pull it through to create something similar to a headband on top of my head. I'm also going to add some braiding hair within this twist for fullness. So I want it to be a flat twist, but I don't want my twist to be flat. Quote, if that makes sense. I absolutely hate when people say, if that makes sense. I mean, it either makes sense or it doesn't. Don't state if that makes sense, just makes sense. End of rant. Carry on. So I used a duckbill clip because I felt like my hair was separating from the braiding hair again. I felt like it was going to slide out. You all know that I have a learner's permit for braiding, twisting, all of that. Allow me to give credit where credit is due. I saw this headband hairstyle on another content creator's channel, 4C Daniels. She does amazing protective hairstyles. She's definitely one of my favorites and one of my hair crushes, because her hair is luscious and looks so healthy. I'm misting the back section of my hair with water. That's all that this bottle contains is regular H2O. I'm using it before I add styling gel to my hair. I'm going to mold my hair up with the styling gel into a high ponytail, and then I'll tuck the ends of the ponytail away. Now bear with me while I try to get these edges on the straight and narrow. Now you know 4C hair, especially 4C edges, can be a little unruly, a little bit hard to get into place. But hey, once it's there, let me stop lying. Even after I get it there, I have to go and get it there again. That's just what it is. So I'm tying my hair down now with the Sanex wrap strips. I used 2. Then I proceeded to adding my scarves to tie my hair down for the night. But first I trimmed those 2 braids in the front, and I added a couple of decorative beads to the ends. You know, we gotta be a little extra. Extra, extra. It seems like that alarm clock went off super fast the following morning, and I don't normally press snooze because then I'm just lying there restless because I'm wondering if the machine is going to function properly and get me up on time. It's so much drama, guys. It's too much drama, actually. It's best for me to just pop up and at least get moving around for the day. That alarm clock snooze button is just... 4 minutes of restless sleep isn't worth the stress. Leave me a comment below if you're in the anti-snooze button gang. Back in my relaxer days, this step could have been done in a matter of seconds. I grabbed that Iso Plus oil sheen can and shh. Y'all, I used to go through so much of that stuff, it was ridiculous. Sad. Now I'm so big time, I use a mix of natural oils instead. I shook the ponytail a little bit to get it a bit fluffy. I also added a few drops of moisturizer for shine. Then I clipped the ponytail to the base of my natural ponytail. I pulled the string to tighten it, and then I used the bobby pin to clip the excessively long string underneath the clip-in. The curls were way too perfect. They were springy and coily. They were just way too perfect to be believable for my hair texture, because my hair has much more frizz to it naturally, and so that's what I was trying to achieve. I did use a hair comb and a hairbrush, and I also finger separated the ponytail. Now I did all of that until I was satisfied with the look. Sis, get into the protective styles to retain length. So look, I get it, and I understand why many naturals throw a flag on the play when it comes to labeling certain hairstyles as protective styles when rubber bands or bobby pins or any types of things are used on the hair. But for me, as long as the hairstyle leaves my ends tucked away and keeps my ends from being exposed to damaging agents like the sun and heat and constant manipulation, for me, it's a protective style. So call me wrong, that's fine. I've been wrong before. My opinion, this is a protective style. Okay. Hold on, let me try that again. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Still didn't get it right. And here's the final look. Simple, sassy, versatile. Natural hair is so versatile. I love natural hair. Honestly, I just love hair. It allows me to show my artistry side, and I can arrange things and sculpt things just the way that I like it. So it's like the canvas is my head. The possibilities are endless. And I can appreciate that so much. After putting your spin on this style, tag me on Instagram, Sunkissednic. Alrighty, that's it for today. I hope you've enjoyed this style. I thank you so much for choosing this channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Sunkissednic. Click the links for another classy, oh so sassy hair tutorial or a session of Sunkissed. Thanks for watching. Bye.